morning. It is 4:30 in the morning and we are doing 4 Pass Loop in a day. We just got started probably at 4:20 and we're on our way to Crater Lake and then we'll veer off over to Buckskin Pass in the dark for the first pass of the day. All right, we are making our way up pass number 1. We're doing Buckskin Pass first and we're getting there. Still dark out. I can't tell if you can tell. That's the first pass. There we go. And then we have all the views of the sun coming up. North Maroon, Pyramid, and we were hearing mountain lion chirps. So we have had quite the first couple hours of hiking 4 Pass Loop in a day. First pass of the day, Buckskin. Woo! The prettiest sunrise on Snowmass and Capitol this morning. And my energy is here for now. We shall see how I feel later. I get so happy when it's so pretty I could cry. All right, we're having a quick break at Snowmass Lake and having an Uncrustable, checking the views. So beautiful. Snowmass was a good 14er. We are heading up Trail Rider Pass. Second pass of the day. Woo! All right, we are approaching pass number 2 of the day, Trail Rider Pass. And we're feeling pretty good. Where are we? We are on the descent still of the, the descent of the second pass of the day. Once we get down to this river, we'll fill up some water and then we'll head up again.